Quality control test for metal containers. We'll select 50 tubes first of all. Clean each tube. We'll clean them. After that, fill the tube with a suitable molten ointment base. After that, close the tube, like allowing stand up for overnight, like 15 to 20 degrees of temperature. After that, take a metal bacteriological filter, and that filter paper is suitable porosity selected. After that, heated the above melting range of an ointment base. Will they heat that above the melting range of an ointment base. After that, we'll take the base from all tubes and squeeze it, like we'll squeeze. After squeezing the certain rate and pass it through the filter under a vacuum. We'll pass through that filter under the vacuum conditions. After that, we'll take that tube and wash the walls of the filter with the 3 successive quantities. We'll wash that filter walls with the 3 successive quantities of 30 ml of chloroform. After that, allow the filter paper to dry. We'll allow that filter paper to dry. After that, we'll examine the filter paper under lightning a magnifying glass with 1 mm square centimeters square of that number of metal particles like 1 mm of length lo and longer lo. Metal particle size in filter paper, like a particle size like 1 mm and above, 0.5 to 1 mm, 0.2 to 5 mm or less than 2 mm. Like we can see 2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.5, 0.5, 1 mm, 1 mm or above, like this. Okay. After that, score will be like produced 1 mm or above, like 50 score, 0.5 to 1 mm 10, and 0.2 to 5 like 2, like 0.2 or less than that it's 1. So that if the result score is less than 100, the test will be passed. Like we'll add all this above, and if that less than 100 it's passed, then the compulsory test is passed. Score is greater than 50 is fail. Score is between 100 to 150, repeat the test. Okay.